Hello everyone, welcome to Collision TV YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the origins of anime and how it became the global phenomenon we know today. So, let's get started.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. I got loyalty inside my DNA. I got cannabis, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA.
Anime, the distinctive form of animation originating in Japan, has become a global phenomenon in recent decades. Its popularity has led to a thriving industry that includes not only animation, but also comics, video games, music, and fashion. To understand the origins of anime, we need to examine its history and evolution over the past century. This video will provide an overview of the key milestones in anime's development, its major artistic and cultural influences, and its impact on Japanese society and global popular culture. The origins of anime can be traced back to the late 19th century when Japan was undergoing rapid modernization and Westernization. In this period, Japan was exposed to various Western art forms, including photography, painting, and animation. One of the most significant influences was the advent of cinema in Japan in the early 1900s. Japanese filmmakers began experimenting with animation, and in 1917, the first Japanese animated film, Katsudo Shashin, was produced by the artist Oten Shimokawa. The film was a success, and several more animated shorts followed in the 1920s. In the early days, Japanese animators were heavily influenced by American animation styles, particularly Disney's early films. This is evident in the character designs, the use of anthropomorphized animals, and the slapstick humor. However, Japanese animators quickly developed their unique style, incorporating elements of traditional Japanese art, such as woodblock prints and calligraphy. This fusion of Western and Japanese artistic traditions gave rise to a distinctive style of animation that would come to be known as anime. The period from the 1950s to the 1970s is considered the golden age of anime. It was during this period that anime developed into a distinct art form, with its unique storytelling and visual techniques. Tezuka's anime was characterized by a more sophisticated storytelling style and a more cinematic approach to animation. He also pioneered techniques such as limited animation, which allowed animators to produce high-quality animation on a lower budget. This technique involved animating only the essential elements of a scene, such as the characters' faces, while the rest of the scene remained static. This allowed animators to produce more animation with fewer resources, making anime more accessible and affordable. Another key figure in the golden age of anime was Hayao Miyazaki, who would go on to become one of the most famous anime directors in history. Miyazaki began his career as an animator in the 1960s, working on popular anime series such as Lupin III. In the 1980s, he co-founded Studio Ghibli, which produced some of the most beloved and critically acclaimed anime films of all time, including My Neighbor Totoro, Princess Mononoke, and Spirited Away. Miyazaki's anime films were notable for their imaginative storytelling, complex characters, and stunning visuals. His films often explored themes of environmentalism, pacifism, and the relationship between humans and nature. Miyazaki's anime had a significant impact on the genre, influencing other anime directors and inspiring a generation of anime fans. In the 1980s and 1990s, anime experienced a surge in popularity, both in Japan and abroad. This period saw the rise of otaku culture, a subculture of young people who were passionate about anime. We will discuss about this topic in another video. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next video. If you liked the video, share and subscribe with your otaku friends. Collision TV, signing off.
神羅転生
I was born like this, is why I see that you live conception that you feel like this, perform like this without